Hello students, myself Asmita Kulkarni. Now I am going to teach you maths and today's topic is number systems. Students, in numbers, first we have to see the symbols. Now the symbols from 0 to 9, those are 10. But those 0 to 9 numbers, they are called as digits. Now first, in Hindu-Arabic system, we are going to see these digits as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Out of these 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called as even digits, while 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd digits. Now, in this system, it means Hindu-Arabic system, such a system is called denary system. Here we will see 10 ones make 10. 10 tens make 100. 10 hundreds make 1000. So, in Hindu-Arabic system, as it is seen that 10 ones make 10, 10 tens make 100, 10 hundreds make 1000. And in India, as we are studying such a numbers, we are considering number system. But for that, how the number extends, that we should know. And this number, we will see how does it extends. Now, suppose you take greatest two-digit number and add 1. You will get 100 as smallest three-digit number. Similarly, if you take three-digit number, greatest three-digit number and add 1, you will get smallest four-digit number. Similarly, if you take greatest four-digit number, that is 9999 and add 1, you will get, that is here, 5-digit number. And this is the smallest 5-digit number, and so on. This is 4-digit number, you are getting the greatest 4-digit number and addition of 1, you get the smallest 5-digit number. Similarly, if you go on adding in greatest 5-digit number, then greatest 6-digit number, greatest 7-digit number, then you will find out 1 crore. 1 crore means here Indian place value chart, we are going to study those numbers in crores, and the next digit will be the 8-digit number. That is, here we will see the chart. Now, here we are going to see the place values in India, what we read as, and the place values in the world, how they are read. Now suppose here, if you see the numbers here given as 5, 3, 1, 9, 4, 8, 7, 6, 2. It is what the number you are given, the large number which is given here, you are reading accordingly. First digit number ones, then tens, then comes to 100, then 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, and the Arabs. But in case of world place value chart, the number up to 1000, it is all okay and the same. So first we will see how it has been changed. The number at once, then tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. But after 10,000, it comes to 100,000. And the number, instead of lakhs, here we are reading 100,000s. The next comes to 10 lakh. Instead of 10 lakh, we are using according to the world place value chart, that is millions. After million comes 10 millions, then comes 100 millions, and the next one is billions. So, you have to remember that 10 lakh make a million, 10 million make a crore, and 100 crore make a billion. So, in this way, we have to see now the place values for the given numbers. Now, one by one, we will go through. Now first we will see the face value for the given number. Suppose any number you have written according to this 24,530 in standard way. We can read this as a 24,530. Isn't it? But if this number is given to you to find out the face value, then we will say the face value for any digit, it does not changes. The face value remain the same. We'll have this example like face value of 2 will be the same. If you are going to find out the face value of 4, it will remain the 4 as it is. Similarly, the face value of 5 will be the 5 only. For these 3, again the face value remain as it is. But if you are asked to find out the place value of each of the digit, then you will see that the place value for the same figure changes. Now we'll see the face. We have seen the face value. Now we are going to see the place values. Now first, if you are asked to find out the place value of these two. Now, according to standard system, we are reading these 5-digit number as a 24,530. So, we will ultimately find out the place value of this 2 will be 20,000. The place value of 4 will be now 4,000. Place value of 5 will be 500 and place value of 3 will be 30. So, how does it form? Now, if you take this digit 2, you have to find out its position, and the position here you will find out this way. That means 2 is at 10,000's place, and when you write this figure 2 into 10,000, you will find out the value as a 20,000. Similarly, if you take this 4 and you multiply this digit 4 with now 1000, see, because 4 is in the position of 1000. So, you will get the value of this, place value of this 4 will be 4,000. See, here we have written that. Similarly, for 5, the position is 100 place. And here we can write now 5 into 100, we will write 500 as its place value. Similarly, for 3, you can write 3 into 10, you will find out 30 as a place value. Now, here one example is given, and that we can have the different place values. For different place values, I will write again the number which is given to you. See, as we have got this one, you can write as 6, 3, 4, 5, 7. As shown in this figure, you will see that the values, place values of each digit changes. Now, if it is asked to find out the place value of 4, you can easily find out 4 into. Now, the place is thousands place. So, easily you can write 4 into 1000, you will find out as a 4,000. Now, if it is asked for this 6, you can write 6 into. The place is tens place. So, multiply by 10 and you will get the place value as a 60. Now, for 1, if you want to write the place value, again you will see the place where this 1 is. So, 1 into 1, you will find the place value of this 1 as 1 itself. I hope children you have understood up to this. Now, again we will see some large numbers where we can read those numbers according to the chart that we have just now studied. Now, if I write a number, suppose suppose we have such a large number with us and you are asked to read it. So, similar way, by Indian method of place value, we will again write this as a ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then comes crore, 10 crores. And if it is asked to write in the words, we will read as a 53, 53 crores, 19 lakhs, 48,000, 762. Now, when such a large number is asked to write in words or to read according to Indian place value method, then you have to read in this way, that 53 crores, 19 lakhs, 48,762. But the same number, if it is asked to read out by the world's place value chart, then we will write the same figure in this way. Here in Indian method, we have to insert the commas from this right to left after 100, or you can say in between 100 and 1000. So I have put here comma. Similarly, after 2 digits means after 10,000 and before lakh. Again after 10 lakh we are going to put a comma. So in Indian place value chart, the method comes and inserting the commas we have used. Now by the another method that is used in the world, there the same figure we have to read as, and before that I'll tell you how to copy the same figure. Now as we have seen here, we have put a commas over here, but the method which is used in the world, there we are grouping the three digits and we are writing this way. And for reading the number, we have to write in the billion forms. And we will see now. See this chart. Now the below part where we are using after the 1000 means 1000 after 10,000 the same figures we are reading, but after 10,000 there we are seeing 100,000 instead of lakhs. Then comes millions instead of 10 lakhs. Then comes 10 millions instead of crores, and after 10 millions we are reading 100 millions for 10 crores, and after 100 millions comes billions. So this is the way how we are using the methods, and now by international place value chart we can write this figure in words as a 500, 31 million 900 48 thousand and 762. So in such a groups of 3 digits we are going to write as well as reading in this way, that this 531 million, then 948,000, and the remaining figure is 762. So in this way we have read the large numbers in both the methods. Now we have to see the place values of the odd digits. Now suppose the given figure is here, same figure we will see. Now you know the odd numbers are 7, 9, 1, 3 and 5. Now to find out the place value of 7, you can say 7 into 100 and you will get it as a 700. Here I will specify that only the place value of odd figure is only asked. So the odd numbers we know as a 7, 9, 1, 3, 5. So one by one only we can find out and write their place values. Now here again the place value of 9 we will find out, that is lakh. So here you can have this 9 into, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6th is here. So you can have this place value of 9 digit which is odd number and at the place of lakh, and you will find it as a 9 lakh. Similarly for 1 you can write now 10 lakh, for 3 that is 1 crore, for 5 that is 10 crore. So up to this we have studied how to calculate the place value of such a large numbers and the methods that we have seen, both that is in India which we use all, as well as in the world the method which is used to write the large numbers. Now, thank you.